Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ann Smith, and I'm a mother, advocate, and founder of Mission Possible University. And for me, this is personal because I began legal research when my daughter was railroaded in court with lies. That's when I learned the truth about our rights, and I started sharing it on social media. And now my mission is to help you navigate the system and win. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things lawyers do to hurt you. And the original video that is posted on TikTok will be, the link will be in the video description box. Okay, let's get right into it. And keep in mind, this list is not exhaustive, okay? There's a million and one violations that these corruptocrat people do. So keep that in mind. And also it's not in any particular order, okay? They don't just there are no rules to this. They just, harm people and go on with their lives. Okay, so number 1, they leak your name to the media. This is exactly what has been done to my daughter, right? Doing her case. And there's a lot of people on the original TikTok video that are commenting that they have experienced that. This is an extreme violation of your rights, but this is what they do. It's part of their game to make sure that they get the win or get the lose, depending on the backdoor deals that they make. So I'm just exposing all of their game, all of their treachery right here. And number 2, they will tell you to plead guilty, even though they know 100% that you are innocent, right? And this is because, again, the backdoor deals that are made behind the scenes, they need you to follow suit. They need you to be under control. And so they will convince you that the best the best action is for you to plead guilty, okay, for a lesser sentence or a lesser charge or what have you. But none of that is true. You don't have to plead anything because they meaning the law, the justice system in and of itself, needs to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that you committed, whatever it is that they're claiming you commit. So these are some really serious violations that has been happening, and the reason they keep doing it and allowing you to be railroaded is because they know that you don't know the law. They're gonna keep doing it. This is why people do what they do. They know that they can get away with it because they know you're ignorant to the law. So let me move on to number 3. They use paint by numbers, motions, and paperwork and actions and et cetera, right? What do I mean by paint by numbers? Well, they basically, are treating you, me, us like cattle. Like it's just a regular, same old situation. So they don't do any actual research. They don't care about the actual facts. They don't care about the actual truth. They just want to get this case done and over with, and they get paid. They do not care about your life. They do not care about your freedom and how messed up it is and how many violations it's going to take to get you to do what they want or get the results that they are after. They don't care. So they don't put any time and effort and energy into defending you properly. So it's like leading the sheep to the slaughter. This is what they're doing behind the scenes, and you're paying them to do this to you. Okay, so again, moving right along, number 4. They do not challenge obvious lies. Okay, I'm speaking from experience, y'all. This is exactly what happened. It was a mesmerizing show to watch. Because that's what it is. It's a theater. That's what you're watching. It's a show that they're putting on for each other because everything is already pre-planned. And they're just moving forward and making it seem like it's justice, but it is actually just theater. So why would they challenge obvious lies? when you're sitting there in your seat, at least this was me back then when I was sitting in the audience section for my daughter's case, and I'm sitting there and I was like, these are blatant lies. I mean, even I know that. I don't know the law. This was back then when I didn't know the law. Why would they do this? Well, now 8 years later, fast forward, yeah, I see the game, and we're gonna get to the purpose and the mission in a minute. All right, so number 5, they speak legalese, which is not English. Again, it is a show, it is a theater, and you are not party to the game. You are not on the team. You are not part of the club. That's why you don't understand it. And they make it seem like because you don't understand it, well, then you must be stupid or you must be inferior. But none of that is true. It is not English, and it is purpose by design to confuse you and leave you lost and leave you broke and broken. Okay? So the game has been recognized for what it is. And let me get into the purpose and the mission of this video. So, on this mission to expose the truth and empower you, I put together this course. It's called Shocking Court Secrets. And believe me when I tell you, the 7 secrets that I share inside this free course is going to be a game changer for you, for your loved ones, where you're going to be able to protect yourself and you're going to be able to defend yourself. Okay? So I'm going to put the link for Shocking Court Secrets in the video description box. I promise you that no matter what level of legal knowledge you have, by the end of this free course, you will know more than a roomful of lawyers and judges put together. And it's only a 1-day course. As a matter of fact, you'll gain instant access to it as soon as you go and you sign up. And you can read through the material literally in under an hour, honestly. Maybe 30 minutes if you're a fast reader. Either way, I'm serious. I'm on a serious mission, and I'm not playing any games. It's time to shut it down and bring your family home. So if you're serious about building and growing with me, click the link in the video description box and enroll in this free course, Shocking Court Secrets. And I promise you, it's nothing that you've ever seen or known about before, but I'm letting it all hang out. Okay, I'm letting the cat out of the bag, so to speak, because I want to shut this down, and I believe we can shut it down together within 2 years. All right, y'all. If you found value in this video, please do me a favor by sharing this video everywhere. Okay? It's going to take the whole village to take back the justice system. I cannot do it by myself. It's going to take an army of us to elevate our knowledge into gladiators. And by sharing this video, you're doing your small part to create that. So I appreciate you. I love you for real. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.